All right. Can y'all see my screen?
Yep.
Okay, so the directions say solve each literal equation, but there's a reason why I gave it to you guys in words. So today we're gonna work on writing equations from word problems. That's our lesson for today, okay? So the sum of a number and two, let's talk about this, make sure y'all are with us. When you see the word sum, what operation is that telling me to do?
Add.
Good. So we're adding. Now it says of a number. Do we know what the number is? No, but if you guys keep reading, do you see how it says in? So we're going to do the sum of n, some number, and 2. So that would be n plus 2. Does everybody agree with that part? Kamara, are you with me, bud? Jordan, you good? Okay. Now it says this sum, so this whole thing is multiplied by 180. How do I multiply this entire thing by 180? Good. They're telling me, people in class are saying use parentheses. And then what does it say it should equal? S. So now, from here, does everybody agree that this is a literal equation? Do y'all see how it has two variables, n and s?
Yes.
Okay, good. Thank you, Paul. I missed you. No one was answering me. They were ignoring me. All right. We need to solve this for n. So what do I have to do first on the left-hand side? Distribute. Good. I'm hoping they'll start answering me. Plus, is that 360? Y'all check my mental math. Yeah? Now, what are we trying to solve for? N. So what do we do to n? Cover it up. What do I need to move?
360.
Good. Subtract 360 on both sides. It's the camera. I don't actually have blue hands. You can see my hands. Minus 360. So now do you guys agree that we have 180 n equals s minus 360?
Yes.
Okay, and how do we get n by itself? How do we move that 180?
You have to divide.
There we go. Jaquez and Ashley and Paul, y'all are getting some extra credit. Good job. So you could leave it like this. Let's see what else y'all think. What else could I do to this?
Simplify it.
Oh, how would I simplify it, Jaquez? Talk to me.
You can divide 360 by 180.
Yes, you can.
And you get 2.
There. Now, Jordan, it is not just -2. If you don't be quiet saying -2 over and over again. No, watch. Guys, is it just -2?
No.
Also have S over 180, don't you?
Yeah.
So it's S over 180 minus 2. Now, on your test, they may leave it like this if it's multiple choice, and that's okay too. Remember, we talked about it. These mean the same thing, but I would love for you to simplify. If you simplify, I'll give you some extra credit on your test, okay?
When is that test again?
The test is Friday. I just sent out a reminder to all of y'all's parents that you have a quiz next Tuesday and a test next Friday, but I'll keep reminding y'all. All right. Number 4, area A equals. So y'all, the first thing you should write is A equals, correct?
Right.
Okay. What does it mean when it says product?
Multiply.
Multiply. Good. So did you guys do B times H? Because it says product of B and H. That's fine. You could just do BH because that's multiplying if they're touching. And then it says divided by 2, right? So I'm going to divide this whole thing by 2. Yesterday it told us 1/2 times BH. Multiplying by 1/2 and dividing by 2 are the same. Yesterday you were trying to multiply by 2. All right, what are we solving for? H. So what do we do to H?
Cover it up.
Good. Cover it up. Hide it. I like that. Hide it. Cover up the H. It's in the top. Does everybody agree? The numerator?
Yes.
So what am I going to move first, y'all?
The 2.
The
Two.
2, and they're telling me in class we got to multiply it. Do y'all agree?
Yes.
All right. So I'm getting 2a equals bh. And then if I want the h by itself, what do I got to move now?
The B.
How do we move the b?
Divide.
Good. Look at these children knowing how to do literal equations. So 2a over b equals h.
Yeah.
You taught them how to do it though, right? It's not hard. I'm telling y'all, do some of y'all like these better than the ones with numbers now?
I do.
Yeah, it's less work, right? I think it is.
Mhm.
It's
Yeah.
really quick.
All right, so the last one, when b is added, so let's stop. What do I write first? Okay, good, thank you. B plus, if it says b is added, that is b plus, right? 4 times p, what would I write? 4 times p. 4p, or you could do 4 dot p, or you could do 4 parenthesis p. That's fine. And then Jordan's saying the result, so that means equals m. That's fine too, Kamara. No. When b is added to 4 times p. It's just a plain b, 1b, okay? Now, they're asking us to solve for p. So did you guys go draw your wall and cover p? How do I move this b?
Subtract.
Good. Subtract b on both sides. So I have 4p equals m minus b.
Mhm.
Because remember, those aren't the same letter, so you can't subtract them. And then how do I get p by itself?
Divide 4.
Divide by 4. Very good. Jordan, you okay, babe? So p equals, now, can we simplify this? Everybody look at this. Can this one be simplified? No, so you can leave it just like this, m minus b over 4. How do y'all feel about that warm up?
Good.
Okay,
Good.
I don't put like the worksheet for the warm up on Canvas because y'all don't have to do it. You can just watch us work through it and talk with me. But there are a couple of these on your upcoming tests, so just make sure you're okay with this, okay?
Okay.
All right, moving right along, we're checking homework from last night. So this worksheet, the matching one, were there any of those that anybody needed to see me do? I know y'all two were fine. Jordan, did you need to see any of these worked out? Or do you want to just check your answers with mine? Okay, he said he's good with just checking. Does anybody up here virtually need me to work out any of them?
No.
Y'all are okay? Y'all are okay with just checking?
Yeah.
Awesome. All right. There's 1 through 6. Check those and then I'll slide it down. All my work is up there. If you didn't show any work and you just matched them, you did not get credit because it said in the direction show work. Hopefully y'all have noticed by now that you have to show work for me. It's not, I'm not talking about you. Oh, I just like looking at y'all. I don't like talking to the screen because I feel like a weirdo. Unless they're answering me, then I don't feel weird. If you don't show work though, I don't know how you got your answers. So if you mess up, especially with a lot of y'all being online learners, if you don't show me your work, I don't know how to help you. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Make sure you're showing work. Are you guys good with 1 through 6?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. We're moving fast today. That's what I'm talking about. Where is my, there it is. All right, I'm gonna slide it down. Jordan, I'm gonna tape your lips together. That was mean. He played you. I'm not gonna tell you because it was not nice. Yeah. It's good to have big teeth. All right. Let's be nice. My teeth are straighter than all y'all, so got him. Let's be nice. I'm so glad I don't have children yet because y'all use all my patience. Yet. I want to have children, just not yet. Are y'all good with these? We don't have any questions? We feel okay with literal equations?
I'm good.
Yes.
Oh, cool. All right. You put 4C equals Y? You can leave it C times 4. You can do this. That's fine. You'll probably, on a test or quiz, they'll put the 4 in front because the 4 is the coefficient and it should go in front of the letter. But, I mean, they do mean the same thing. All right, well then let's go ahead. If y'all are good, let's go ahead and get started on notes so y'all can